All right, I'm here at the break room.
Yep, break room therapy.
With my brother Ryan, and we're smashing stuff. We're in this protected room, and science experiment here. So you may know the tablecloth trick, where Newton's first law of inertia, you got an object at rest right here, and if I were to pull out the tablecloth really fast, it should fall straight down. We're gonna do a little twist on it with this bat. I'm gonna see if I can hit the plate out so fast that the cup drops straight down. You ready, Ryan?
We're ready.
So I don't want to follow through, I'm gonna try to. All right, 3, 2, 1. That definitely did not work.
We decided to try again, simplifying our setup here, right? So by smashing the bottle, right, the plate has this inertia and it just sits there magically resting for a minute before it starts to fall. So we can see that the same kind of tablecloth trick thing is going on here, right? This is a beautiful illustration of Newton's first law of motion. An object at rest wants to stay at rest unless it's acted on by an outside force, in this case, gravity pulling down on that plate.